The Sussexes' reign of controversy continues to wreak havoc, this time imploding Meghan Markle's highly anticipated Netflix cooking show. In a dramatic turn of events, streaming giant Netflix has abruptly pulled the plug on the production, citing creative differences that conveniently coincided with a bombshell plagiarism lawsuit filed by none other than the Duchess of Cambridge's sister, Pippa Middleton. Sources close to the production reveal a chaotic atmosphere on set, marked by Meghan's incessant demands, diva-like behavior, and a complete disregard for the crew. She was impossible to work with, confided a disgruntled camera operator, speaking on condition of anonymity. Constant retakes, endless demands for extravagant accommodations, and a general aura of entitlement permeated the entire production. The final straw, however, appears to be the plagiarism allegations leveled by Pippa Middleton. In her lawsuit, Middleton claims that Meghan shamelessly lifted numerous recipes and styling ideas from her highly successful cookbook, Celebrate, A Year of Festivities on a Plate. This isn't just about stolen recipes, Middleton's legal team asserted in a scathing statement. It's about the blatant exploitation of another woman's hard work and creativity. Meghan Markle, with her insatiable appetite for fame and fortune, has once again shown her true colors. The allegations, while shocking, are not entirely unexpected. Meghan Markle has a long and well-documented history of controversy, from her strained relationship with the royal family to her controversial interviews and public pronouncements. Her departure from the royal family, while ostensibly driven by a desire for privacy, has been marked by a relentless pursuit of media attention and lucrative deals. The cooking show, touted as a celebration of global flavors and community, was intended to be a soft power move, showcasing Meghan's philanthropic endeavors and her newfound life in California. However, the project quickly descended into chaos. Meghan insisted on being the sole creative force, revealed a source familiar with the production. She micromanaged every detail, from the color of the tablecloths to the choice of music. Her vision, frankly, was a disaster, a bizarre mishmash of pretentious pronouncements and half-baked recipes. The plagiarism scandal adds another layer of complexity to the already tumultuous situation. If proven true, it would not only damage Meghan's reputation further but also raise serious questions about her integrity and ethical conduct. The cancellation of the cooking show is a significant blow to the Sussexes' carefully crafted image. It highlights the fragility of their carefully constructed brand and raises doubts about their ability to sustain their post-royal celebrity. While Netflix has remained tight-lipped about the reasons behind the cancellation, industry insiders speculate that the combination of production woes and the impending lawsuit proved too much for the streaming giant to bear. Netflix is a business, remarked a veteran Hollywood producer. They invest millions in these projects. They can't afford to be entangled in a messy plagiarism lawsuit, especially one involving a figure as controversial as Meghan Markle. The fallout from this debacle is likely to be significant. Meghan Markle's carefully curated image as a global humanitarian and a champion of women is now tarnished. The cancellation of the cooking show, coupled with the plagiarism allegations, casts a long shadow over her future endeavors. This episode serves as a stark reminder that even the most carefully constructed narratives can crumble under the weight of controversy and scandal.